Elon Musk on why he can no longer support Democrats. They have become the party of division and hate. Oh, where did you get this story from here? And I need to see the name of this URL. Oh, BPR. Biz Pace Review. This is when whatever the URL says. What's the website?
BizPack.
Oh, BizPackReview.com. Willie Doo's daily reading over here.
Yeah, my favorite site.
We've told you in the past, guys, that, listen, we have a variety of sources that come to us algorithmically. We only talk about the things that you guys are talking about. Get it? Great. This doesn't necessarily, it's never necessarily an endorsement of the things that we're discussing.
What about the Times of India?
Well, whatever. I mean, it could be,
better,
I
right?
mean, it could be anything, right? It could be anything.
Yeah.
And then there's going to be somebody who says, I don't like that source, and so on and so forth. Hence, the meme about us being CNN is like people have all their connections and conceptions and preconceptions and configurations and such.
Uh-huh.
I mean, the information is there. This is the internet that we have to interact with and respond to. Mm-hmm. All of us collectively to try to spot the deep fakes. Tesla Inc. CEO Elon Musk said on Wednesday that while he voted for the Democrats in the past, he will now vote Republican. In the past, I voted Democrat because they were mostly the kindness party, but they have become the party of division and hate. So I can no longer support them and will vote Republican, he tweeted. Now watch their dirty tricks campaign against me unfold, said Musk, the world's richest man. The 50-year-old billionaire recently said he would reverse Twitter's ban on former U.S. President Donald Trump, a Republican, when he buys a social media platform. He also said Twitter is far left biased because it is headquartered in California, a state known for its progressive politics. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure that there's some sort of realization on his behalf, some sort of Nothing will. Nothing will. That's why nothing will. Nothing.
Okay, yeah.
Nothing.
Well, here's the tweet.
Nothing will.
So it's legit.
Nothing will. Yeah. So I'm sure there's some reason for his statement. There's some sort of an indication to him that this is the case. However, it's also worth noting that people themselves can change. A person's political affiliations, person's political stance on certain things. Person's experiences in life. I mean, he's actively trying to leave California, a Democrat stronghold, and getting into Texas there, trying some of that barbecue. And you know what happens? You have some of that barbecue, Will. You start voting Republican, I'll tell you that. I'm joking around, but like there's other indications that he's bumped into his own struggles with Democratic leaders, right? Mm-hmm. He's bumped into his own struggles, and that could influence a person's perspective on certain things. When you are as influential, or when you are as involved in the business community, and we've talked about him being on political committees in the past where he would show up and offer some sort of
guidance,
insights,
advice.
And he was on some sort of, and then he left and he got pissed at Trump and whatever else. And I don't know necessarily he's a huge Trump fan, for the record. When he brought up the issue of Trump being banned and coming back, it was for, he got into his whole free speech scenario thing that he's motivated about. So, but yeah, I believe him. There you have it. I mean, he'll vote, endorse the Republicans, and whatever that means, because if he's vocal about it, it could be influential in any election. He's got a couple of followers.